Hey, my lovelies, and welcome to my channel, the best place for all the activists and introverts in business. And in today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to have 9 till 5 full-time job and run the business and avoid the burnout and how to organize everything. And I want to start this video from being truthful because you need 9 till 5 before your business takes. I know that a lot of gurus telling you to just quit your job, cold turkey, and everything's going to be fine. But I've got few reasons why you should actually keep your full-time job or find a full-time job, even if you're thinking of having the business. Of course, the main thing is the financial security. So basically, bills are being paid and you are not stressing where the money gonna comes for your rent. So you can focus on growing your business. Financial security is one of the main reasons why we should still have our 9 till 5 job. You also will have money to invest in your business and in your personal development, for example, in coaching or for some online courses, which is absolutely crucial, especially when you're just starting in business. And nothing's going to teach you how to prioritize your task and how to organize your time and energy than 9 till 5 job. I have to tell you, you have to ditch to-do list. Like if you've got a planner with to-do tasks for a day, I want you to ditch it. It's absolutely rote to nowhere. You're going to feel bad about yourself. You're never going to complete all the tasks. Just please don't do it. Don't waste your money on any expensive planners. Instead, just have pen and paper and put your weekly to-do list. Therefore, you know you're gonna have more time to complete it and you're not gonna feel bad about yourself. Put on your to-do list things that require computer as well as require brainstorming, because some tasks, like for example email sequences or planning the launch, are required only our brains. So make sure that in your to-do list there are two kind of tasks, one which you need strictly computer for it and one which you can use only your brain. And why is that? Because you are going to be smart and you are going to use the breaks which you have in your 9 till 5 as well as your commute time. And this is what I'm doing every single day. Yes, I still have my 9 till 5 job even though I run 4 businesses. And I'm going to share the reason why. Be smart and use the time that you have in your 9 till 5, like for example, commuting to work, to do things from your weekly to-do list. So for example, I'm doing every single day on my way to work, which takes me 1 hour, I'm doing audience building. And I'm doing engagement and answering the emails and answering DMs from my clients. So this is what I'm doing in the bus while going to the work. How I'm doing the audience building? Basically, I'm following the hashtags which are relevant to my niche and I'm commenting on top 5 posts that comes with this hashtag a day. This simple task brings more client into my business daily. So this is something which you can do every single day. Then please use your break from your 9 till 5 to actually do one of the brainstorming tasks from your to-do list. Like for example, I'm using my half an hour break to literally sit down and plan my launching campaign, plan all my email sequences, and plan my social media post captions and hashtags. So be very smart with your time. Simplify to amplify. If you manage to do only just one task a day, it's plenty. It's better than none, so please don't feel bad about yourself. Also, use your days off from your 9 to 5 to batch the content. I'm using my days off to have my one-on-one client as well as to batch all my social media content for my business. Please remember to prioritize your health. I'm not going to lie, it's not a walk through the park, having a full-time job and run multiple businesses, but it's absolutely doable. But you have to put your health first. And I do have days when sometimes I'm coming back from my 9 till 5 and I just don't have energy for nothing else. But I still don't feel bad about it because I know I did my audience building. I did know that all my content is scheduled in advance, so my business is not suffering from it. And please have end goal in mind. The end goal, when you're gonna reach this, you're gonna actually ditch your 9 to 5 job. Is either gonna be financial. I know a lot of girls and a lot of guys who are carrying on with their normal job until they hit 6 figures, or until they double or triple their normal job income. For me, it's a little bit different. My end goal is not financial, it's based on circumstances. So, and I will ditch my 9 to 5 job when I get pregnant. This is my plan. And why is that? Because then I'm gonna be able to focus only on my businesses and rely on the money that my businesses bring. But also I will have additional here in UK £500 for a year for maternity, which I can easily use to grow my business, to advertise, or to invest in myself. If I just quit cold turkey from today till tomorrow, I would not have this free money for a year. Do you know what I mean? So it will be very silly for me to quit it now, when I can wait a little bit longer and then just have this extra 500 in my pocket. So please make sure that you have end goal, the goal either financial or circumstantial, that when you're gonna reach, you're gonna ditch your 9 to 5 job. I hope this video helped. As always, please click the like button, subscribe, and share it with everyone, because we have to bring all the activists, all the introverts together, because we are making the best entrepreneurs and the world need us. And only when we help ourselves, we can go and help others. I will see you very shortly. Bye.